let's try to learn professional certificate and how to design professional certificate in MS Publisher and how to download that in fact. Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. Welcome back to the world of Microsoft. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about how to design or how to edit certificate that we are going to download that. So let me teach you how to download the certificate and edit that, and furthermore add the name inside that, or business name or business logo inside that. So make sure to click on File, go for New, and over there we have got a search for online template, and we have got more of the templates that if you need according to your wish you can go and play with that. Birthday invitations, and furthermore we have got thank you cards, and we have got furthermore wedding and email newsletter. So what we have to do, if you want to go and search out more of the things, you can go with labels. You can search out the labels you need, and furthermore you can find cards. What sort of card you need, you can find that. So what I have to do is that to search out something there, like type certificates or certificate, hit enter. So we have got more of the certificates there. So what I need to do is to insert this sort of certificate, achievement certificates, click on it, create, and we have got our certificate there. So what is present in this certificate is all about achievement certificates. So the first thing that we have got is certificate of achievement, which you can edit according to your use, like furthermore increasing the size of that and changing the color of that, or maybe applying sort of beautiful color inside that. So now you must be observing that this color suits with that of the background. Furthermore, there is name which you can change that, like Hasnain. So we have changed the name of that, which you can also furthermore change the color of that, like make sure to click on it and try to apply this sort of color. So now I have got the name changed, and I have also changed the color of that. Has been recognized for outstanding achievement. So this is what is also written there, which you can furthermore work on it and give sort of bold effect to that, change the color of that. And furthermore sort of a signature is required there, which you must be doing the signature manually. So what I'll tell you furthermore is that to edit, if you want to edit furthermore that, you can edit that furthermore, like I have clicked there and I want to give more of the styles or more of the colors to that, like maybe applying this sort of color maybe, and going for shape effects, reflections. If you want to reflect that, you can reflect that. However, you can go for bevels, which is also I think so much attractive. If you can apply this like circle, you can also apply that. So let me move that little bit to the top, and we've got that there. Furthermore, you can underline even that. See, that works, and that works magnificently. Let me change that little bit. Let me also increase the size of that, and also the size of the date. Let me increase the size of that, like April 11 2025. Let me increase the size of that too. So I think there is no need to design award certificate or certificate of achievement manually in maybe somewhere in Microsoft Word or in Adobe Illustrator. These are already made and ready to be used for any sort of purpose. So thank you so much for watching this small sort of class in which I have taught you how to insert and how to download certificate of achievement and utilize that or edit that and use according to your need. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.